This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Welcome to Easy English Podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and actually fun.
Today's topic is so useful. We are going to talk about plans, your future plans, things you want to do, things you are going to do.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your own plans in English. Simple sentences, real life. That's what we do here.
So let's get started. Stay with us. This one is really good.
Oh, and before we jump in, a quick thing.
Yes, if you are learning English right now, if you listen to us regularly, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot.
And hit the like button. Seriously, even a small click tells us you're enjoying this.
Share this episode with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is always more fun, right, Mike?
Oh, definitely. Okay. Let's talk about plans.
So, Mike, why do you think talking about plans is so important for English learners?
Great question. Okay, think about this. Every single day, someone asks you, "What are you doing this weekend?" Or, "What are your plans for the holiday?"
Right, and if you don't know how to answer, it feels uncomfortable. Maybe you understand the question, but the words don't come out.
Exactly. And that's a really common problem for beginners. You know what you want to say, but you don't know how to say it in English.
So today, we fix that. We practice together. You listen, you repeat, you learn the phrases.
And the good news? You only need a few simple phrases to talk about plans. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big vocabulary.
You just need the right phrases, and we are going to give them to you today.
Let's go.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the most simple, most common question. Are you ready?
Ready.
What are your plans for the weekend?
Okay, so this is a question you will hear all the time. At work, with friends, with family, even with people you just met.
And the question is, what are your plans for the weekend? You can also say, what are you going to do this weekend?
Both are correct. Both sound natural.
Let's say it again slowly. What are your plans for the weekend?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Good. Now, how do you answer? Mike, what are your plans for the weekend?
Okay, let me answer like a beginner first. Very simple. I'm going to stay home.
Perfect. Short, simple, clear. I'm going to stay home.
You can say it right now. Say it out loud. I'm going to stay home.
Great. Now, I'm going to, this is one of the most useful phrases in English for talking about plans.
I'm going to, we say it fast in conversation. It sounds like I'm gonna.
Yes. In speaking, going to often sounds like gonna. Don't worry, this is totally normal.
So, I'm going to stay home sounds like I'm going to stay home.
Both are fine. In writing, use going to. In speaking, you will often hear gonna.
Okay, Sarah, let me ask you now. What are your plans for this weekend?
Let me think. I'm going to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. You can say, I'm going to visit my sister, or I'm going to see my family.
Right. Visit and see both work. I'm going to visit my friend. I'm going to see my friend.
Let's give some more examples. Listeners, repeat after us.
I'm going to cook dinner.
I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to clean my house.
I'm going to go for a walk.
I'm going to rest.
I'm going to study English. Hey, that one's good.
Yes, perfect. Okay, you see the structure, right? It's always I'm going to plus the verb.
Simple, clean, easy to remember.
You can say this for any plan, any activity. Just put your activity after I'm going to.
Okay, so we have I'm going to. That's a plan that is pretty decided. You are going to do it.
But sometimes it's not 100% decided. Maybe it's just a hope or a wish. In that case, we use I want to.
Yes, I want to is softer. It means this is my hope, my desire, my wish.
For example, I want to travel this summer. Maybe it will happen, maybe it won't, but it's my plan or dream.
Or, I want to learn guitar. I hope to do it, I plan to do it, but it's not 100% certain.
So we have two phrases now. I'm going to, more certain. I want to, more like a hope or wish.
And a third one, I plan to. This sounds a little more formal, a little more serious.
I plan to start a new job next month. That sounds decided, organized.
I plan to save money this year. Very responsible.
Very. Okay, so now you have three phrases. Let's say them together.
1, I'm going to.
2, I want to.
3, I plan to.
All three are useful, all three are correct. Use them in different situations.
Okay, so now you can answer the question. But what about asking? How do you keep the conversation going?
Great point. In a real conversation, you don't just answer, you ask questions too.
And it's very simple. After you answer, just ask, what about you?
So simple. I'm going to visit my family this weekend. What about you?
Or, I want to go hiking. What about you? What are your plans?
What about you? 3 words keeps the conversation alive.
Listeners, remember this. What about you? Use it all the time, in every conversation.
It shows you are interested, it's polite, and it's easy.
Hey, stay with us. We're going to practice everything again at the end of the episode, a full conversation review.
So keep listening. Don't go anywhere. The best part is coming. Okay, let's make our sentences even better. Let's add time.
Yes, when you talk about plans, it really helps to say when. This makes your English sound more natural.
Let's look at some time expressions. Mike, give me some examples.
Okay. This weekend, next week, next month, this summer, tonight, tomorrow.
All simple, all very useful. Now let's put them in sentences.
I'm going to call my friend tonight.
I'm going to start exercising next week.
I want to travel next summer.
I plan to move to a new apartment next month.
See how the time expression makes the sentence feel complete? It gives the other person more information.
And it's very easy to add. Just put the time at the beginning or at the end.
Tonight, I'm going to cook dinner. Or, I'm going to cook dinner tonight. Both are correct.
Great. So your sentence can be subject plus I'm going to, want to, plan to, plus activity, plus time.
I'm going to go shopping this Saturday. Try it.
Now let's go a little bigger. Not just weekend plans, but bigger life plans, goals, dreams.
Oh, this is fun. Sarah, what's one big plan you have for the future?
Okay. I want to live near the ocean one day.
Oh, that's nice. And you see, even for a big dream, the phrase is the same. I want to live near the ocean.
Mike, what about you? A big dream?
I want to start my own business someday.
Love it. I want to start my own business someday. You can use someday or one day for future dreams that are not decided yet.
Other examples, I want to learn a new language someday. I want to buy a house one day. I hope to visit Japan in the future.
I hope to. That's another phrase, very similar to I want to, a little softer maybe.
I hope to equals, I really wish this will happen.
I hope to graduate next year. I hope to get a new job. I hope to improve my English. That's a great one.
That's why you're here, right? We hope to help you.
Okay, let's talk about something really practical. Sometimes you want to give a short answer, sometimes a long answer. Both are okay.
Right. If someone asks quickly, like a coworker in the hallway, a short answer is perfect.
What are you doing later? Short answer, just staying home, or even, not much, you?
Super casual, super natural. You don't need full sentences every time.
But if you're having a real conversation, like with a friend over coffee, you can use a longer answer.
I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. We're going to have dinner together and maybe watch a movie. What about you?
See? A little more detail, a little more personal. It keeps the conversation going.
The key is match your answer to the situation. Short answers for quick questions, longer answers for real conversations.
And you can always start short and then add more if the other person seems interested.
Okay, Sarah, let's have a real conversation now, a real one. Let's talk about our actual plans.
Oh, yes, let's do it. You ask me first.
Okay. Sarah, what are you going to do this evening?
I'm going to make a big pot of soup and watch a documentary. Very relaxing. What about you?
Oh, wow, very calm. I'm actually going to meet some friends. We're going to go to a new restaurant.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to go hiking on Saturday, and Sunday I want to just rest. I'm tired. What about you?
This weekend, I plan to organize my apartment. It's a little messy right now, and I want to read a new book I bought.
Nice, very productive.
I try.
Listeners, did you notice? We used all our phrases, I'm going to, I want to, I plan to, in a real, natural conversation.
And we asked, what about you, to keep talking. This is exactly how a real conversation sounds.
Okay, let's give you some practical tips now. When to use these phrases, how to use them in different situations.
Tip number 1. Use I'm going to when your plan is decided. You know what you will do.
I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. It's decided, it's happening.
Tip number 2. Use I want to when it's a hope or a wish, not 100% certain.
I want to go to the gym this week. I hope to, but maybe life gets busy.
Tip number 3. Use I plan to in more formal or serious situations.
Like at work, I plan to finish this project by Friday.
Tip number 4. Always try to ask, what about you, after you answer. It keeps the conversation natural.
Tip number 5, add time expressions. Tonight, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, to make your sentences sound complete and natural.
5 tips. Simple, useful, real.
Okay, we promised you a full practice at the end. Here it is.
Listen carefully. We're going to have a full conversation using everything we learned today. After you listen, try to have the same conversation with a friend or even by yourself.
Ready, Sarah?
Ready?
Hey, Sarah, what are your plans for this weekend?
I'm going to visit a friend on Saturday, and on Sunday, I want to go to the market and cook something new. What about you?
Nice. I'm going to go for a long walk in the morning, and in the afternoon, I plan to watch a football game with my brother.
Oh, that sounds like a great weekend. Do you have any big plans for next month?
Yes, actually. I want to start taking swimming lessons. I've been thinking about it for a while. What about you? Any big plans?
I hope to take a short trip, maybe just for 2 or 3 days. Nothing big, just some rest.
That sounds wonderful. You deserve it.
Thank you. And that's it. That's a complete, real conversation about plans. Did you follow along?
Try it. Use these exact sentences. Change the details to match your life. And practice.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, tell us what are your plans for this weekend?
You can copy one of these sentences and fill in your own details. For example,
I'm going to blank this weekend.
I want to blank next week.
I hope to blank someday.
Write your answer in English in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. We all make mistakes. That's how we learn.
And if you see another learner's comment, reply to them. Practice with each other. This is a community.
We read the comments. We love seeing your answers. So please write something, even just one sentence.
Okay, let's quickly go over what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about plans in English. We used 3 main phrases.
I'm going to for decided plans.
I want to for hopes and wishes.
I plan to for more formal or serious plans.
We also learned to add time expressions. Tonight, this weekend, next month, someday.
And we learned the magic question, what about you, to keep the conversation going.
Simple, useful, real. That's what Easy English Podcast is all about.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Honestly, it means a lot.
Learning a new language takes courage. It takes patience. And you are doing it. Every time you listen, you are getting better.
Don't forget, progress is progress. Even slow progress is beautiful. Keep going.
We'll be back very soon with a brand new episode. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. We post new episodes every day, and tomorrow's is one you really don't want to skip.
Stay with us. Keep practicing. Keep showing up. You've got this.
From me, Sarah,
And me, Mike.
thank you for listening to the Easy English Podcast.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone.